Hey guys, welcome to the ranch. Part 3 of the wasteland to garage pad or parking pad restoration project. Work kept me late, so we are under the gun to get this done tonight. I want to quickly rake it. I put together my little landscape rake. Then we're gonna till it again real swift, potentially rake it again, just maybe some spots are funky, and then roll it. If we have time, I gotta move. You're gonna sit this camera, so you're gonna get a better view for a change, and yeah, you can see me work. So here we go. My 36-inch landscape rake. It's a little rickety. Doesn't feel like the one my dad had. Felt a lot sturdier, but it is what it is. This is what the store had. I didn't feel like breaking the bank. So basically my goal is just to level out some of the high spots, recontour it a bit, maintain the slope away from the building, and kind of, I want to have it relatively flat towards the back, and probably if anything slope off this side towards that road down there. I can drain off that side. That's the goal, because I want to be able to utilize as much of this back space towards the fence as I can. Vegetation is just I think I'm gonna give it a steamroll now. See how it looks. It's pretty lumpy. It's definitely low in there, but I think I'll roll it out for now, see how it looks, and then I can always add more soil in and build it up a bit so it's nice and clean. I've raked out most of the organic matter, which is good because I'll just decompose and then drop. So it's much better than it was. I also have to try and keep in mind that big concrete block there, unless I feel like ripping it out, which I don't really feel like doing. I could try. I could hit it with the skid steer and see if it'll pop out. You know what? Screw it. Let's do that. First off, I'm going to take one more run with Ox over there just in front of it to make sure there's no surprises hiding from me in the ground for the skid steer. Then I'll bring the skid steer here and I'll see if I can just poke it out of the ground. I don't know how tough in there that is, but if I can get that down, that allows me to not need that whole section so high, and then I can slope it down more and use that top up there as fill for down there, which would just be nice. toothbrush. All right, let's get the skid steer. So freaking handy. Anyways, yeah, unfortunately it's dark now. So I'll hit this thing again in the morning. I guess we're doing a part 4, because that's enough of a video for tonight. Oh, I left a couple things out that I don't want to leave out. Like my helmet, which I didn't need because I realized I forgot my headphones here last night. Not very smart. But the dogs were good. They didn't even chew them up. So that's good. So we'll pop this on the old noggin. Grab these guys. Everything else is fine. The junk will remain the junk. I'll take you a quick tour through all the junk tomorrow. But yeah, I'm impressed. That's going to be a solid little space now. So I'm happy about that. Cat's already inside, so I don't need to go rescue him, which is good because it's dark now. Yeah, so that's it. Have a good one. Talk to you later.